Okay, here's our video on solving equations with subtraction. And we already solved equations with addition, and it's the same thing in a sense. So here we have x minus 5 equals 10. And we know when we have equations, we have two sides of an equation separated by the equal sign. Right? And we want to do the opposite operation. The additive inverses cancel. So here we have minus 5, so if I add 5 on both sides, we'll have that x equals 15. So let's see if we had another one. Y minus 12 equals 20. Okay. Again, the additive inverses will cancel. We had a minus 12, so I'm going to plus it on both sides. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other, and y equals 32. Now you can also see it, y minus 12 equals 20, the opposite way. You can see it as 20 equals y minus 12. It's the same thing. We added 12 on both sides, and y equals 32. So again, sometimes you can see it reversed. Let's try a word problem. Fred is 3 years younger than Bill, and Fred is 12 years old. How could we make a subtraction equation? So we want to make a subtraction equation to find Bill's age. Again, here is the problem. Okay, we know that Fred is 12 years old and he's younger, so Bill needs to be older. So how can we make a subtraction equation? Well, we know that Bill equals 12 plus 3 because he's 3 years older, but that's not subtraction. So we know that Fred is 12 and Bill is his age minus 3 will give us Bill's age. So we just have a minus 3, so we plus 3 on both sides, and b equals 15. Let's try another one. The area of a park A is 700 acres. That is 520 acres less than Park B. So we know Park B is more. How can you make a subtraction equation to find the acres of Park B? So this is what we want to do. We want to make a subtraction equation. Here's the problem again. How would you do that? Okay, well, Park A, we know Park A is 700, and we're trying to find what Park B is. Whatever Park B is, if we minus it from 520, because that's Park A, we'll get Park B's acres. So it was minus 520. I added 520 on both sides. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other, and the acres of Park B are 1,220. Okay, here's one final problem. Let's see if you can do this yourself. Notice that it's reversed. Okay, well, we had a minus 3, so I'll plus 3 on both sides. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other, and x equals 18. Great job.